Welcome to this video lesson on the Great Indian Desert, part of 10th Standard Social Science. I am R. Subramanian, Postgraduate Assistant in Government Higher Secondary School, Nandanam, Chennai. What is desert? Desert is nothing but it's a wasteland, barren, sandy, or permanently frozen land. Accordingly, the desert in general can be divided into two, the hot desert and the cold desert. Today we are going to have a look at the Great Indian Desert, which is tropical hot desert. Let's get started. Do you know Sahara is the world's largest desert? It's about 9.4 million square kilometers. It's almost equivalent to the size of the United States of America, which is 9.6 million square kilometers in area. It is the hottest desert in the world. Why? Because the hottest place named Al Zizia is in Libya, which is part of Sahara Desert. You know its temperature? It's very hot about 58 degrees Celsius. It is the least populated desert in the world. You know, only one person is living per square kilometer in Sahara. Next comes Atacama Desert. It is the driest desert in the world. It's located in Peru, Chile, in South America. And the smallest desert in the world. You know, only 1 square mile in area. It's located in Yukon, Canada. It's not a tropical desert, but it's formed of glacial deposition. It's nothing but Caircross Desert. Around 46,000 square miles of land are turned into desert every year. It's almost the size of Malawi, which is 45,747 square miles. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is a large arid region in the northwestern part of Indian subcontinent. It covers an area of 200,000 square kilometers. And you know, it is a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. The name Thar is derived from the word Thul, meaning sand ridges. Thar Desert is located in 4 states of India, namely Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, and Punjab. Which state do you think has largest part of Thar Desert? Yes, it is Rajasthan, which has 60% of Thar Desert. It is the world's 17th largest desert, and it is the 9th largest subtropical desert in the world. It is covered with sands made of Orkney's metamorphic rocks, Proterozoic sedimentary rocks, and alluvium material. These sands have been accumulated over 1.8 million years. To add some more information about the Thar Desert, on 18th May 1974, India carried out its first nuclear explosion test in the Thar Desert. In 1998, again it did 2 more explosions in a place called Pokhran, located in Thar Desert. You know, Thar Desert is the world's most populated desert with a population density of 83 people per square kilometer, while Sahara Desert has the lowest population density in the world, with 1 person per square kilometer. It is also the biggest wool producing area in India, with almost 40 to 50% of India's total wool production. Thar Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert, is famously known as Marustali. The word Marustali has been derived from the Sanskrit word which means land of the dead. It is because it's dry, hot, inhospitable for the living things to survive. There is also a desert in the United States of America which is called the Death Valley. It's the second hottest place in the world. Hot and dry wind which blows in May and June in the Thar Desert is called Loo. Indira Gandhi Canal, running through the Great Indian Desert, is the longest irrigation canal in India. It is starting from the confluence of Satluj and Bias rivers. It's exactly starting from Sri Ganganagar to Mohangarh in Jaisalmer for about 649 kilometers. It's making lakhs of hectares of land into cultivable ones. Shown in the left side, the Indian Desert is located in 4 states of India. Seeing this, we can mark and label the Thar Desert on the outline map of India given in the right side. We have to first of all put the dot in the southern end and in the northern end. From there, approximately, we can draw and write Thar Desert over here. Let's recall from what we learned. Following are the questions. Let's try to answer. Why is the Indian Desert called as Marustali? What is the area of the Great Indian Desert? Name the 4 states where Thar Desert is located. And how many people live per square kilometer in the Thar Desert? It is a dash largest desert in the world.
Thank you for watching. Please, if you like, subscribe.